Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. Now first of all, there is only two steps to disable automatic updates on Windows 10. The first step is hit right click on the start button, then you will get this option. We have to click on run, then here type services.msc, and once you type, just hit on OK. Here this window will pop up. Here we have to find for Windows update. Just scroll a bit and then you will find the option as Windows update. As you can see here we have to click on, then now hit right click and then you will get this option where we have to click on properties, then set it on disable like this. Once you disable it, just hit on apply and now click on OK. So it is now disabled, and to permanently disable automatic updates on Windows 10, we just have to take another step which is very easy. For the second step, we again have to right click on the start button, then go to run, and this time we will type here regedit and hit OK. Then this window will pop up. Here we have to go to H key local machine, as you can see here, then again go to software. Now scroll a bit and here we have to find the option for policies, as you can see here. Now go under it and then you will find the option Microsoft. Click here as well. Then here we have the option as Windows, so this is the one. Now here we will hit right click and you will find the option new. Here we will going to click on key and here we have to name it as Windows update. Once you done that, just hit enter on your keyboard, and now here we will again right click on the Windows update and here we will add another folder again. Now hit on key and here we will type as AU like this, and now again hit on enter. Now click on AU. Then in this blank page we have to hit right click and then here we will add this D word 32-bit value, and once you done that, name it as no auto update and make sure to type it as I type and then hit on enter. Then double click on no auto update. Here we have to type 1 on value data, and once you done that, just hit on OK. And yeah, this is how you can disable auto updates in Windows 10 permanently. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.